guess everybody else is behind. Yo, I'm learning how to use this thing. What's going on, man?
Shit's happening.
All right. I don't know how to use it. Just bear with me. You feel me?
You doing good? You doing
I guess so. Until it starts up, right? How you doing?
What's up, brother?
All right. Stays where you want it to stay when you go like this, see? But it's like,
That's the point. Look at the classic, huh?
what happened?
Look.
Yo, this thing's nice. Wait, which one is your boy?
My cousin is...
Your cousin? The E46?
Yeah.
Look at these things. Pulling out on the way to Mpact. Try to get some rollers for you guys and all that good stuff, but trying to do all of that while drive with a lot of other fast BMWs or BMWs in general, it's kind of hard because everybody's all over the place. Almost forgot that. Cars out here today. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is gonna be a fun drive. So we're here. I just don't know. We made it. Not bad timing. Just don't know where to park at though. I don't know what everybody's doing. seeing so many cars. Maybe you want to go broke. I want everything. Then I want to keep my car. Wait. I'm low-key kind of pissed off that I didn't prepare my car in time to take it out here, though. I'll be honest with you guys. See if I can get a couple rides with some people, though. I don't know. We'll see.
But I mean, that's what the Mustangs are good for, bro. You know that's not so bright.
So I'm sitting here at the park. Got the 435 here. Look fairly clean. But I can't. I'm running the mic up top, so I cannot see myself. So I hope I'm in focus. I hope I'm perfect for you guys. You know, hope I'm not too sweaty and all that good stuff. But I need help figuring out what should be the next big mod for this car. For those of you who do not know, this is my 2014 rear-wheel drive BMW 435i. I picked up this car a year ago. I'm doing a little build on it. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe if you're interested in watching a little bit more videos about me, my car, or whatever the hell I do. Definitely consider subscribing. My main goal for this channel is to pretty much give you guys a real uncut lifestyle of, I guess, car ownership or owning BMWs, modding them, watching them break. Just everything, anything that happens, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the camera and show you guys. Definitely stay tuned, because the next video I have, I ordered a whole bunch of maintenance items for my car, because we are at about, I want to say about 63,000 miles. I need an oil change. Different things like the plugs and stuff got to be changed. So definitely stay tuned. The next video that most likely going to come out is going to be about that, maintenance and how the car's been handling reliability wise. And we're going to split it up into two separate things, because I drive this car, and this video is people who drive the hell out of their car. You see how my car has been holding up reliability wise. I have to specify that my car is a rear wheel drive model, because just because some of the mods that I do to it, number one, and two, you know, just because it's different. This car is different, and there's not a lot of rear wheel drive BMWs by where I live. Everyone swears by X-Drive just because of 3 months in the year where it could possibly snow, and snow bad enough to render you, I mean, stranded. You know, it's kind of weird of the things that people will spend so much money on based on some stupid thing like the snow. I mean, like I said, to each his own. If you got X-Drive for the snow, you think it's a better daily, you know, that's cool. I've been driving rear-wheel drive cars, rear-wheel drive BMWs for about like 3 years now, 4 years now, something like that. And with the exception of the first winter where I kept my summer tires on, actually, I kept my summer tires on this car too last winter, and it wasn't that bad. So, I mean, it was pretty bad, but not that bad. We'll get into that another time in life. You guys just go out there and buy a car because you love it, because you enjoy it. Don't buy it because it gets good fuel economy, you know, or all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, whatever. I find more times than not, and this is for car enthusiasts, not everybody. I find it more times than not, someone will try to be rational about the car that they're buying, and then realize when they buy it, they end up spending more money trading it in and getting what they really want. So that's just a little message to you guys. Get what you really want in the first time, provided you can afford it. Main reasons I brought you guys here is because I want to know what I should do to this car. What should be the next big modification to the 435. Now, quick list of the things that I already have done that I guess range from most important to least important. The big three are the limited slip differential, the F80 lower front control arm swap, and the wheel and tire setup. Vorsteiner VFF 108, 255 in the front, 275 in the back. That would be the three most important things I think I've done to this car. Obviously, besides the tune and callus downpipe, you guys heard me say that a million times. So it is the next step, and there are two major things that I want to do to this car. One being bagged, and two being boosted. So what should I do, guys? Should I go bagged and boosted? And what I mean by boosted is I'm thinking about picking up either a big boost turbo kit, maybe a pure stage 2 turbo kit, or even they have a couple other ones like Speed Tech, Doc Racer. Now those Doc Racer and the Speed Tech, those are the higher quality kits. But they cost a little bit more money, and yeah, if it's in a budget, I'll do it. You guys have any advice on any kits that maybe I should get? I'm doing my research, but maybe you guys can help me out. Or I'll just go ahead and bag it. I'll go ahead and get, I think it's Airlift, A3 Airlift or something like that. I looked up online. I think the car would look really dope bag just because of the adjustability. That's the number one reason why I would like it, is because just adjustability, flat out, point blank. I'm looking for more of a performance bag system, not just shitty bags where they go after every bump and it rides super floaty. I'm trying to look for something more performance oriented, because everybody knows how I like to drive my cars, and I don't want to put on it that brakes. That just makes sense. You guys think the 435 should be boosted or bagged? Now, back to the whole point of reliability versus enjoyment. Either setup I do, whether it be bags or boosted, I think I'm going to run into problems either way. Bags, you're subjected to leaks where I wasn't now, squeaking and things like that. I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into, but I'm willing to go down that path because I thought about it time and time over again. I like springs, I like coils, but this car is very low. I kind of, believe it or not, scrape on certain things already with the front lip. The car is not even that low. and I want the flexibility to be able to raise it and lower it. Like I said, the back looks completely atrocious. Well, this is because I got the wrong tire size on the back anyway. So I will be getting a 35 series tire, which will fill up this gap just a little bit more. But yeah, bags would do it justice. I freaking sink this thing, slam it to the ground, and when I'm going over holes and things like that, I can go ahead and raise the front and the back and make it through where I need to go to. Boosted, I feel like will be a little bit more fun because we all know I'm a speed demon in Mexico. Throwing a bigger turbo in this thing, I think will be just that much better. The flip side about throwing a bigger turbo on is when you go down that path, you go down the path of no return. Turbos, fueling, you know, different things breaking, snapping, and I'm used to that, but I don't want to keep doing it. So with that being said, you guys gotta let me know what you think is best. Should I go down the deep end and make this thing about 620 wheel horsepower? That'll be my goal. I think I stopped somewhere around 620 wheel horsepower, but I will build it up, not tell anybody, get mad people, and then reveal that it's actually boosted. Yeah, that's about 2,900 to 3 grand. So it cost me to boost it, and bags will cost me somewhere a little over 3 grand, both not installed. I'm not sure if I would do the install myself. I think I should, just to show you guys, just to DIY screw things up. The guys over there at M-Life, they'll probably pretty much finish it if I screw it up anyway, if I screw it up bad enough. So that's pretty much what I wanted you to tell me. Should I bag it or should I boost it? If I boost it, I mean, like I said, you gotta deal with tickets and everything too. If I bag it, I don't know. I'm really stuck right now. I'm really stuck. I'm not really looking at it as far as reliability wise too much. I'm more so looking at it as far as, like, I don't know, what will be a little bit more fun and what will interest you guys to see on the channel. I've actually know of a couple people who big boosted their cars. I don't know anyone who bagged their cars, but on YouTube, neither one of them. And I don't know, I want to take you guys down that path so we can see how unreliable we can make this car, I guess, adding things like that on it. Once again, hopefully this video ain't too shaky or whatever the case, because I can't see myself. But thank you guys for checking in, tuning in.